Hello students, I am teacher Luma and the topic for today is kindness. Kindness is one of the greatest values we can have. You can get a lot of joys from being kind. Let us find out more about it.
The kinder you learn to be, the more place there is in your heart for happiness. Take this as one of the rules of life. It is a great feeling to help others who have less than you. Try it. Only when you are kind, you will learn what true happiness is. If you start being kind to others, you will find much joy in it. You will soon have the wonderful habit of thinking more about others and less about yourself. Sometimes things do not happen our way. If we forget ourselves once in a way and think of others who have less, our own problems will look small. It is easy to be kind if you really try. Look after others in the same way you look after yourself. Try to feel for all living beings as you feel for yourself. Kindness adds great beauty to our lives. When you begin to feel kindness towards others, you become a beautiful person inside and outside. Mother Teresa is known all over the world for the love and compassion she showed towards the sick and poor. She served the poor, diseased and needy people in India till her last breath. She believed that there is God inside every human being, whether rich or poor. Let me tell you a story about a man named David. The name of this story is Serve Man, Serve God. Once upon a time, there lived a poor old cobbler named David. He had only a few things and just enough food to eat, but he had a kind heart and he loved God. One day, God appeared in his dream and told him that he would visit him the next day. He asked David to keep something nice for him to eat. David got up the next morning and used all his money to buy some vegetables. He made a tasty soup for God and waited. Looking out of the window, David saw a poor old man shivering in the cold outside. David gave the man a blanket and a cup of tea he had made for himself. Then came an old woman, nearly fainting with hunger. David gave her a part of the warm soup he had made for God and some fruits. She blessed him and left. Then he heard a baby crying. Looking out, he saw a poor mother weeping because she had no milk to give her hungry baby. David gave her all the milk he had in his kitchen. The child smiled at him after drinking the milk. The mother and the baby left. It was getting dark. David was very sad. Now, even if God came, he only had a little cold soup to give him, not even milk or fruits. He begged God to forgive him. Suddenly, he heard footsteps outside and a strange bright light entered his room. In that light, there appeared before him the shivering old man, the starving old woman, and the poor mother with the hungry baby. Then, in that beautiful light, David heard God's voice saying, "It was I." The light went away. David was blessed by God because he had served the poor. So God had appeared to David in the form of the poor. Just like David, if we see God in everyone around us, we will want to be kind to them. You can be kind at home by being respectful and helpful to your parents and elders, by loving your brothers and sisters and other family members, making things easier for those who work in your home, the helpers, maids, and others. You can be kind at school by being obedient, helpful, and attentive to your teachers, respectful to the helpers, and friendly with your classmates. You can be kind to plants and animals in many ways, like taking care of your pets, feeding hungry animals, planting saplings, and watering plants. You can be kind to everyone in simple ways. Smile at others, greet them cheerfully, be pleasant and polite. Even if someone makes you angry, try to speak to them politely instead of shouting at them. Whatever you want to say can be said nicely. Students, this entire lesson teaches us that we must be kind in whatever way we can. Always look out for a chance to serve others in little ways. The more you look, the more chances you get of finding happiness in this wonderful way. Thank you, students. Take care and be kind to everyone around you.